Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Robert Schmidt. I'm a double board certified facial plastic surgeon, and I'm the founder and medical director of West End Facial Plastic Surgery. We offer the full range of invasive and less invasive things to make you look and feel your best. So for me, I do Botox, all of the various injectables. We have a full suite of lasers. We also have an aesthetics department whose sole job is to make your skin look and feel its best. We offer several different kinds of facials. Again, laser treatments, laser hair removal, we can get rid of sun damage, we can get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. And then when it's time to talk about facelifts, we do that too.
My name is Nancy, and I have been coming to West End Facial Plastic Surgery for probably about 3 or 4 years, and my experiences have been wonderful. I come here for facials, and Lita is awesome. I like the HydraFacial because of my age. My skin is very dry, so the HydraFacial seems to bring it back to life.
I just got a HydraFacial treatment, and so my skin always feels so just like clean and really moisturized and just like refreshed and ready to take on the day.
A lot of people will come and make an appointment with me, and they're not even really sure what they want to talk about. And so when they come in, we will welcome you. You'll have a little bit of paperwork to fill out, just basic health history kind of things. We want to make sure that everybody is nice and healthy before we start a journey together. Then, a lot of times, we will then proceed to our exam room. We'll chat a little bit about what your goals are, what you're looking for, past history with any of this kind of stuff. And then frequently, we'll just take pictures and we'll talk about what you see. We'll talk about what I see, because it's we can think we're really a great candidate for one thing, but it may be that you're a better candidate for something that you haven't even thought of. And it's my job to be objective about that and to give you the best advice that I possibly can.
Hi, my name's Colleen Freeman, and I've been coming to Dr. Schmidt's office for almost 4 years. First consultation was really good. He's very personable. He makes you relax. He tells you what he's going to do, what to expect when he's finished, and you've become part of his family. He tells you about his family, and so every time you come to a visit, you feel like you're visiting family.
It's such a personal touch here, and they do great things. They host little parties. You always feel like you're the VIP guest when you come in. They're just really, really nice staff.
The surgery that I do most often is eyelid surgery, so upper and lower eyelid lifts. We do brow lifts. Typically, it's a temporal brow lift where an incision is just tucked up in your hairline here. We do deep plane facelifts. I do deep plane mini lifts. The difference between a deep plane facelift and a deep plane mini lift is that for me, a deep plane mini lift is essentially just the face part of a lower face and neck lift. Okay. I do rhinoplasty, do a lot of rhinoplasty. I do functional rhinoplasty. So somebody who needs surgery on the outside part of their nose but doesn't really need it to look a different way, well, if you need surgery on the outside of your nose for breathing purposes, we do a lot of that.
Hi, I'm Hollis Watson. I am 34 years old. I met Dr. Schmidt through the VA, and I was referred here to get a septoplasty and a rhinoplasty. Even like maybe a day or two after the surgery, I was breathing through my nose, which I was very surprised about. I didn't do any like YouTubing, like what to expect from a nose surgery, but I was pleasantly surprised from how I was coping with the brace and with just how I was feeling in general. The recovery was fine. The instructions post-op were very straightforward. The team spoke to my husband about it, and he was able to help me out. So there really wasn't any piece of information that I was missing.
So for people who are a little bit apprehensive about coming to see me, I like to start out by sharing the 3 fundamental rules that guide everything that we do here at West End Facial Plastic Surgery. Rule number 1 is everything we do has got to look natural in the end. We are all scared of looking altered or weird, because when you see people who are walking around having had a facelift and you know it, you only see the bad ones. You don't see the good ones. Okay? So rule number 1 is that everything we do has got to look natural in the end. Rule 2, everything we do here has got to be backed up by science. You're not going to get some kind of fad thing here just because everybody's doing it, or you saw it on TikTok, or all the, the influencers on Instagram are talking about it. No, it has to be a well-established technique with good scientific backing behind it for us to bring something into this practice. And rule number 3 is that everything we do has got to be safe. There are certain things that people are doing with fillers out there that are fundamentally not safe. And so if you do not wish to make someone blind or give them a stroke, you don't do those things. So when you are ready to begin your journey with West End facial plastic surgery, be it through just skincare or injectables, or you want to talk about more advanced things, please give us a call. The number is 804-762-0080.